I'm videoing and taking pictures, you know.
I mean, how much you know how? Guys, what's up? We are here in lovely, lovely Waterhouse. Yo, when Premier League I start back? Anyways, we're here in Waterhouse, guys, and we're making a delivery. Alright, so this customer actually lives overseas, but she sent the package to Stefisha here, alright? I asked Stefisha some question and said she can win some freeness for the person who shipped the package. Oh guys, listen. If you're living overseas, you can still ship with us. You can get the items delivered to your loved one's doorstep. Yes. Imagine you can have surprise mama. Yes. Oh, that's so. Alright, here we are going. We're going to test her, see if she can answer the questions, and see if she can win some freeness for a family member in the US. Guys, if you're in the US, member, there's a link somewhere here. Click on it, join us. If you're in Jamaica, anywhere in the world, click on the link and join us. Come, you know, we're going to give us some freeness. And most of the time you see we have freeness like you know. Forward. Stefisha! Stefisha, say hi to the people about it. Hi! Alright, so here we are going now, guys. Stefisha is going to win something for her. Is a sister, your cousin? Is who?
My best friend.
Our best friend. So our best friend link her up and send some packages for her. No, she's going to win. You're going to win your best friend a free shipping coupon, right?
Okay.
Yeah, well on this. It's yours. You can go well on that. Alright, so here now. How you're going to win the coupon is that we are going to ask you a question. Alright? If you get, I'm going to describe something to you and you tell me what I'm describing, right? We have a promotion where if you get somebody to join us, you're going to get 3 free shipping coupons, right? The person who joins is going to get 1 free coupon. And remember guys, it is free to join. What is the name of that promotion? You can't answer now. What is the name of the promotion? You know the name of the promotion?
What's the name of the promotion?
Try.
March Madness.
Alright, you heard it. She got it right. It is March Madness. Alright, so you're almost there now. You win part 1. Part 2 now.
Part 2, go.
You need to select from one of these envelopes. Right? One of them have a prize, one of them don't have a prize.
Eh.
So I want you to select the right one. Which one do you want?
The one with the prize.
The one with the prize. She want the one with the prize. She not going to select. She not going to, you have to find for one.
No, Mama, you give me the one with the prize.
You want the one with the prize?
Yeah.
That one here? That one here or that one here?
That one there.
She want that one here. Alright guys. Why am I not doing now? I don't have nothing in it. Let me see.
See if I can have my lucky there.
Yeah!
Free
So
shipping coupon!
A free shipping coupon. So your best friend, tell your best friend says she's good, she have a free coupon. Tell her from me then, because she probably watch it.
Well, my best friend, you got a free shipping coupon.
Alright,
Okay.
you heard it here. You heard it here. So guys, as you know, we are giving things. Alright? Here we are going. There's a stall over here.
Alright?
Alright.
That's my little food stall.
Tell the people them now. Where they can find it? What the road name?
Gandhi Road.
Alright. Come in from Gandhi Road and support the food stall. Alright? Birthday outfit. Oh Jesus. Birthday outfit. What's the amount for this?
180. Birthday outfit and a birthday banner, balloon and decoration. Some kind of something.
She get way.
Is our godmother, my darling?